Good morning, everyone, and welcome to For my trading. Today is Thursday, February the 27th, and we had a really good day yesterday, and let's see if it's going to repeat today. Uh, we'll talk a little bit about the major market today in terms of the big picture, and then we'll focus on the levels. Also, we'll talk about a little bit of trading psychology today, how to prepare yourself, your mindset every day to be in the zone. And when you're not in the zone, how to get back into the zone. All right. So let's look at the big picture right now. Uh, on the left is the NQ, on the right is ES. As you guys could see, buying has coming into the market. It started yesterday, and yesterday was pretty indecisive because it was an inside day, as from you can see from the bar. And today already the market has climbed higher. Uh, the market was oversold here on both of them. ES not as much, but I believe this market, if it breaks the high of this is Tuesday, then it could go up a little bit more. So it's already been pretty active market overnight. So, but there is some buying coming in on today. So let's keep an eye on that, uh, and we can trade accordingly. For our purposes, though, I mean, honestly, it just I look at the big picture just to have an idea, but I make my decisions based on my TMT levels and angles, and based on 5 minute and 1 minute charts. So overnight, you guys could see already at this here, uh, right after the news, around 5:30, market came down and touched the TMT level and reversed back. So it is playing around at its high right now. So we've got 5 minutes to trade opening session. Grab some coffee and let's make some money today. All right, so the market opened. The NQ open was 21,340.75. So mark that on your charts. So what I do is I'll just this bar, this one here, there, and then I'll come here and I'll change each one as well. And I also write down the numbers in my notebook. It just gives me a picture in my mind. So those two are up to date. And now let's see, the ES open was 59.9850. Let's update that as well. Okay, so I'm having some internet issues this morning. I've got a lag on my charts. So I'm going to remove the Predator order entry system. So that way at least I've got a much better chance to get in. I'm going to test the market and my computer internet connection with one account, and then we'll see if it's a good one. Still within the first 5 minute bar. Let's wait for about a minute or so, and then or at least we're on the second 5 minutes, so we can start making decisions now based on. But it is in a choppy area. If you guys could see, it's been playing around this area for some time, like this area here. So it needs to break In order to go higher, it needs to break this top here to go higher. But right now it's chopping around this area. And the same thing on ES. So I have no reason to trade right now. I'm just going to wait for the market to give me a good opportunity. So do you see how choppy the market is? It came up, touched almost the overnight high, and it reversed. Now it came down to the day session open, and it's playing around there. Looks like wants to break it, but let's see what's going to happen. ES has been playing around between these two levels. Uh, ES wants to go high actually, and needs to break this high in order to go higher. Needs to break around here, 6,007 area. Just to see the power of TMT levels, look at how the market on NQ, it came down, touched that level, and it reversed, and now it broke that level on the downside. And be careful on the long side right now. Shorts are the in control. So right now the market, as you guys could see, it's oversold here, both of them. And we have a double bottom on ES with a divergence. So let's see if that's going to materialize on if it's going to help us to create a reversal. But let the market tell us the story. Don't just jump in into trade because uh, I said so or anything like that. Because right now, still sellers are in control. But that's a beautiful double bottom there. Let's see if it's going to materialize. Spot two. Okay, just get ready, guys. Let's see if there's going to be any trading opportunities at this level. Uh, I would have loved for it to come a little further down, but it is where it is right now. So let's see what's going to happen. Now, if this thing breaks the low here, it's still going to continue to go lower, but it hasn't done so yet. All right, so it did break. Now it's finding support. It's going to find resist or support around here. The TMT level and angle, they're coming together exactly. And pushing from there. tight stuff. So basically, that was a break-even trade on ES. I'm gonna if it breaks here, the overnight open is holding as a resistance right now. Check out the NQ, touch the TMT level exactly. And let's see if it's gonna have support there or it's gonna break. Its market is moving really fast. If you wanna have an aggressive trade on ES, you could, well, too late. I was gonna say buy it above here and put a stop below here. So, but it's already broke through. Well, the market is definitely in a selling mode. Most people will call this as a crash kind of thing, a mini crash. But it was expected. We saw it since last week. We mentioned in our Discord that the market is uh, headed down and sellers are definitely in control.